The world can be a noisy place, and a lot of this sonic pollution comes from cars and trucks. Rivians are different. Instead of noisy combustion engines, our vehicles use electric motors that are virtually silent at lower speeds. So silent, they require an external sound to let pedestrians know when an R1 is approaching. Our goal was to design an alert that was noticeable but not annoying. A sound that could stand out on a busy city corner, but that also didn't feel out of place in nature. To strike this delicate balance, we combined field recordings of water and wind from Mammoth Lakes, Laguna Beach, and the Colorado River. The result is a soothing sonic whir that safely announces the vehicle's presence while also blending into the natural world.